Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a South African classic Boerewors Sausage Shakalaka, all cooked on the Hellrazr Yama. Let's cook. We've already got our charcoal lit in the Yama. I'm just going to put some grates in. We're going to put in at two different heights for two different levels of cooking. We're going to put a low one in to do the shakalaka on and a higher one to start the sausage on. We're going to take some beautiful cast iron. We're going to pop this on the low position, start getting this warm, and then we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. We can let this warm up. Once it's warm, we've got one chopped onion. We're just going to fry this onion off so it goes nice and translucent. We're not particularly bothered about getting too much dark colour onto this onion. So next into the pan we've got one garlic clove that we've roughly chopped, half a tablespoon of your favourite curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Going to give these a stir in and we're just going to cook these out for a couple of minutes. Once we've done that, we've got one grated carrot, half a red pepper, half a green pepper, a couple of tomatoes that we've chopped up, one bird's eye chilli that we've chopped up and removed the seeds, a good pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Going to give these a good stir in. We're then going to add half a cup of cold water. Just going to combine this all together. And then we're just going to let this simmer away for about 15 minutes. While that's cooking, we've got our Boerewors sausage. I picked this up from a bit of a road trip. Been meaning to cook it for a long time. So I've put a couple of skewers through it just to make it easy to turn. So we're going to cook on one side. Just going to flip it over. Now our shakalaka has reduced down. I'm just going to lift this grate up into the eye position now so the shakalaka just keeps warm. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. Just click on the subscribe button below. And then I'm going to drop this grate down to get some colour on this sausage. So that's our Boerewors sausage taking on some nice colour. Most of the moisture has been evaporated out of the shakalaka. And this sausage is looking good. Just going to give it one final turn to get some colour onto this side. Then we're ready to serve. So this is a dish you can just put on the board. People can come along, take a slice of the sausage, help themselves to the shakalaka and enjoy. Just going to sprinkle some fresh parsley on top. We're going to serve this with some crispy bread. So that's our Boerewors sausage and shakalaka. Just take a cut in here, we'll just take a piece off. Put it in our bread and help us to a generous amount of shakalaka. That sausage has got a different flavour to it. There's a bit of cinnamon and things like that coming through this shakalaka. Like a mild vegetable curry on top. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.